All right, we're back with another hieroglyph. This one is probably a bit more obvious in terms of what it pictures, but how was it actually used in ancient Egyptian? We'll get into that in just a moment. Welcome to Voices of Ancient Egypt, where we demystify the words and lives of the ancient Egyptians through animated videos like this one. If you're new here, I'd love to have you hit subscribe and that bell so you won't miss future videos like this one. All right, so this hieroglyph is very obviously an arm with a hand. And so how was this used in ancient Egyptian? This was actually used for a sound that we now call ayin. This is, of course, like other sounds I've talked about, named for the similar letter in Arabic and Hebrew. And so we think this sounded similar to the ayin in Arabic and Hebrew, which is what we call a kind of laryngeal sound. So this is the sound that's made by tensing your throat. And it's kind of like trying to say ah, while also swallowing at the same time. This can be challenging for people who speak languages that don't have this sound in it. So if you don't grow up saying it, it can be hard, but it's something along the lines of ah. And again, I'm a native English speaker, so it's probably not exactly right, but it's similar to that kind of sound. So how is this used? You could use it in a variety of words, and we've actually seen it a couple of times in other videos that I've done. So for example, we could see this in the word that we've seen before, which is great. And like the aleph with the ayin, we also pronounce this in modern times, at least in the West, as an ah sound because people have a hard time pronouncing that ayin sound. So in this case, we would just say for this. And similarly, we can see this also in the word for ma'at, this concept of divine order or what is right, basically. All right, so that's it for ayin today. I'll be back again soon. I'll see you then.